it's Liz Yuille from Old Stables Crafts. Thank you very much for joining me again today. Today I am bringing you, better late than never, my August craft box. Apologies for this being late. I had intended to get it out a little bit earlier, but with all sorts of excitement going on in Stampin' Up world, it got a bit delayed. Not least of all, we've all been registering for our twice yearly convention. And I'm going to the one in November. I'm going to Orlando in Florida, so that will be incredibly exciting, particularly as I get to go to the leaders event for the first time. We've also had pre-order of our new autumn-winter catalogue, which I am allowed to show you the front of. And if you go back and have a look at some of my earlier videos, you will see some sneak peeks, because I'm allowed to show you product, just can't show you inside the catalogue. And I'm also busy sending catalogues out to my existing customers. So, lots going on. However, I'm there, it's August, I'm doing my August kit, and it's from the annual catalogue, obviously. And it's the Tropical Escape Suite, which I love. It's fresh, it's vibrant, it's ideal for the summer we've been having. So, this is just to die for. So, the main piece of the kit is, whoops, hidden under here, and it is the amazing Designer Series paper. Got another piece here. There is actually one pattern that's missing from this because I seem to have used it a lot. Let's see if I can actually find it in a card that I've got here. No, can't even do that. No. However, this is 2 sheets of paper short. So this is all bar 2 sheets of paper, half a pack of the Designer Series paper. It is gorgeous. So one side is predominantly the pink patterns and the other side is predominantly the green patterns, although there are some just black and white as well. So you've got things like this and this pattern. So, but I love it. I absolutely love it. It's bearing in mind this is Petal Pink, not Petal Pink, Blushing Bride. It's given Blushing Bride a real zing because it's Granny Apple Green and Shaded Spruce along with the Blushing Bride, as well as Basic Black, Whisper White, and I think that's everything. Yes, so it's just those 5 colours. So white, black, Granny Apple Green, Shaded Spruce and Blushing Bride. And it's a match made in heaven. I mean, look at these. They are just stunning. So, kit, half a pack of that. I need something to put it all in, so I know what's included. Right, one basket. Always a good plan. Prepare. That would be novel in my life, wouldn't it? So you get half a pack of the Designer Series paper. You get 2 sheets of each of the card pack, which is Blushing Bride, Granny Apple Green, for some reason I've only dug out 1 sheet, Shaded Spruce. So that's 6 of coloured cardstock, and that's the standard A4. So this is only available for the UK, I should hasten to add. You get 2 sheets of the ordinary Whisper White, that's that lovely smooth Whisper White. So 2 of those. You get 2 sheets of vellum. I haven't included vellum in a pack for a while, so I thought I would include some vellum. So 2 sheets of vellum. I've seen some really lovely projects using vellum. Half a sheet, so 12 by 6, this is just a random piece I've got. So a piece of 6 by 12 of the silver foil, because I thought that would go nicely with the kit. You will get 6 Whisper White standard envelopes. This is just 2, you will get 6. You will get 8 of the 3 by 3 envelopes. These are 3, but you'll get 8. And the reason I'm doing those is because you will also get 4 of the mini pizza boxes, and the 3 by 3 envelopes fit into the pizza boxes really nicely. So I thought that would be fun. So that's those. You get 2 yards, obviously this isn't, you get 2 full yards of the Granny Apple Green edged ribbon, which I love. You get 2 yards, again this isn't, but you get 2 yards of linen thread, and you get a half pack, which this again isn't, you get a half pack of the tropical elements. So you'll get 10 of the tropical elements, so you'll get 5 each of the buttons and the leaves, and as I say, this is not a full pack because I've been using it. So I've already done some samples, so let me show you those. Is that everything? Vellum, Whisper White, 3x3, pizza box, shin, elements, ribbon. Yes, yes. So I've already done some samples because I thought I would do the samples in advance. So I've got this one, which I did a video on a card very, very similar to this a few weeks back. So this is using one piece of designer series paper, cutting a square out and then flipping it over, and then using the bundle, what do we call it? The Tropical Chic bundle, and I'll come on to that in a moment. So that's one example. This is another example that I've done, and again I've used the same bundle, but instead of using the die to die cut, I've used it to emboss. And I have to say, for this I did add some of the new Petal Pink gems, but you could use just ordinary rhinestones. Then this card, and again with the bundle, and I've embossed again. And then this one is a gatefold, just as something a bit different. And I will include the PDF of how to make these cards in the kit. So I will take pictures of these, and I'll have pictures of the cards and then the PDF on how to make them. Now, obviously I will change it so that you don't use these gems. Actually, I may not. I may just leave it as it is, because you can use any rhinestones here. Instead, it's just to give it a bit of a bling. But I couldn't, unfortunately, include these as well as everything else, because it put it over my usual £20. So, in fact, the products, if you could buy them in the quantities that I am doing them, the kit would cost you over £20. Not a lot over £20, but it would be over £20. I am doing it as ever, £20, UK only, £20, delivered by second class Royal Mail. So that's it. Bottom line, it's just £20. If you wish to include the stamps and or the dies, so we've got the stamp set and the dies, if you include them as clear mount, so on the red rubber rather than on the wood mount, so the ones that need the acrylic blocks, then I will include them within, you know, I won't add any extra postage. I won't add postage anyway, but it will still go by second class Royal Mail. If you want the wood mount, then I'll need to send it by Hermes, because that puts it into a small parcel, and it gets really expensive for postage at that point. So if you just want the kit, it's £20, including postage. If you want to include the stamps and or the framelets, then let me know and we can get those included for you, and I'll send you an appropriate invoice, and obviously I'll bundle it. If you want the stamps, let me know whether you want clear mount or wood mount. The clear mount stamps are on their own are £20, wood mount is £28, the dies on their own are £25. If you bundle them, the clear mount is £40.50 and the wood mount is £47.50. So, as I say, kit £20, and then just add on. I'll just add on if you want the stamps or the dies or the bundle. Second class Royal Mail if you go for just the craft kit or the clear mount, and it will go Hermes if you want the wood mount. And again, that will all be included in the price, so it will save you the postage and packing for the stamps anyway, because normally you would pay £4.95 for that, and I will absorb that because I'll be putting the order in anyway. Dates. Today is the 15th of August. This is open for ordering up to and including the 25th of August. So that's the Saturday before the bank holiday. If you're in England and Wales, that is, because Scotland you've already had your August bank holiday. But so payment needs to reach me by the 25th. So you need to let me know in good time so I can get an invoice out to you with the payment options. If you are paying by cheque rather than by PayPal or bank transfer, that's fine, but I will need your cheque in my hand before the 23rd or by the 23rd of August so that I can get it banked before the 25th. So that will all be on my blog post, which is linked immediately below. If you've got any questions, please either send me an email, which the contact details are on my blog, but it's liz.yuille@artlover.com. So if you've got any questions, drop me an email. If you would like to order, drop me an email, and we will get that sorted out. I am really excited about this bundle. I cannot, or this craft box, I cannot tell you how gorgeous it is. And as I say, it will include the PDF on how to make these 4 cards as well. So, yeah. Thank you very much indeed for watching, and I hope to hear from you very soon. As I say, UK only. All the details in the blog post immediately below. Don't forget that during August, I am doing a giveaway, so you need to find my giveaway video and blog post, which will be in on my YouTube channel. And then if you share the video and or the blog post, you get an entry for the giveaway, and that's globally. The giveaway, if it's for anyone in the Stampin' Up European area, which is the UK, France, Germany, the Netherlands and Austria, will be some product. And if you're outside of that area, it will be lots of handmade goodies from me. So lots to play for. Don't forget that we've also got the bonus days running. So if you do an online order, this will not be included. If you do an online order for every £45 you spend, you will get a voucher for £4.50. That means it's money off in September. And that's in addition to the Sunflower Reward scheme that I run, which is for every online order you place. These all have to include the Hostess Code, by the way, or for the Sunflowers, has to include the Hostess Code. For every £30 you spend online with me, you get a Sunflower Reward, and when you get 10, you get to spend £30 on product of your choice. And oh yes, Colour Your Season bundle, also available until the end of August. If you don't already subscribe, please hit the subscribe button there. If you don't already subscribe to my blog, hop over to my blog and subscribe to that, and you won't miss anything that I do. Thank you very much indeed for watching, and I look forward to sending lots of these out very soon. Thanks a lot. Bye!